In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wordle to create a word cloud of all of the information that you have put in your Google Apps for Teachers assignment. You'll need three things. You'll need your Google document open, you'll need the snipping tool that comes with Windows, and you'll need the Wordle.net website. So let's start with the Google document. I've got one here, and actually this is just copied and paste text on educational technology from Wikipedia. But I wanted to have some text to show you how to create a word bubble. Alright, so the next step is to open up Wordle, which the address is wordle.net. And this is what we're going to use to create a word cloud. And then the last thing you're going to need is a snipping tool that will let you take the picture of your word cloud when you're done. You can get to that by going to Start, All Programs, scroll down to Accessories folder, and it's called Snipping Tool. Alright, immediately grays out the area because it thinks you want to take a picture right now. We're not ready for that yet, so I'm just going to minimize it. Alright, I'm going to go back to my document. I'm going to highlight everything on the page and copy it. In Google Docs that's a little difficult, so I'm going to highlight it and then I'm going to use Control-C on my keyboard to copy it. Then I'm going to go to the Wordle site, choose Create Your Own, click in the top box and Control-V to paste all of that text. Then just click Go. And it takes a minute or so, but it's going to generate a word cloud of all the words that were found there. You may like the very first one it puts out. You can choose randomize. If you don't, you can also be very specific about what you want. Choose a particular font, a particular layout, and a particular color. As soon as you have it what you want, you'll notice that the words that are used most commonly, most often in your paper, are going to be larger. The words that are used least often will be smaller, so it gives you an idea of what the context and content of any document is in just a word cloud. Once you have what you want, arrange it so you can see the whole thing on the page, and now's where we're going to use our snipping tool. You can choose Save to Public Gallery first, and it's going to ask what you want to title it. I'm just going to call it Tech. You can use the username anonymous, that's fine. Click OK. And now it's published on the web. And you can see it down here. I'm going to open it in a new window, so that's the only thing available. You have the option of printing it, but they don't give you the option of saving the image, and that's what I want to do. That's where my snipping tool comes in. Once I've got that window open, I'm going to click on my snipping tool and choose New, and then I'm just going to click and drag the image. When I let go, it shows you a preview. You can hit the Save button. A dialog box is going to pop up and let me save this image. I'm just going to save it on my desktop, and they're always by default called Capture. I'm going to give it a better name and call it Technology. You can see it as a JPEG file, which is an image file, and choose Save. Right now that I've created my Wordle, I want to insert it into my Google document as the bottom thing. So I'm going to go back to my Google Apps for Teachers paper, hit Enter, and insert a horizontal row. And then underneath that, I'm going to insert that image I just saved. So insert image, and I'm just going to choose it. I could drag it to my desktop, but I will drill down, look on my desktop, and I called it Technology. Open. And now it is part of my document. Since my page was already so long, it ended up on the second page. I can resize it. It's a little bit big. And that's it. Now I can share my document, make it public, and then I can publish it on the web, publish it to the web, start publishing. And this is the URL. I've got my paper with a Wordle inserted inside of it.